Your Excellency, Professor Birhanu Nagga, Minister of Education of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, Excellencies, Ministers of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, and sisterly African countries, Honorable Ambassadors, distinguished representatives and international organizations, distinguished academicians, distinguished invited guests, dearest friends from across the continent and beyond, all protocols duly observed, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Ethiopia, the land of origins. I'd like to welcome you once again to Addis Ababa, our vibrant capital, and the proud host of Innovation Africa 2025. Indeed, we are honored to host the 14th edition of Africa's leading summit on education and technology. Accordingly, I thank the leadership of our Ministry of Education, Ministry of Innovation and Technology, Ministry of Labor and Skills for making this event possible. We gather today with purpose to shape the future of education, to accelerate Africa's digital transformation, to ask what kind of future do we want for our young people. We know this. Great nations rise on the shoulders of educated citizens. Education is the key, the game changer, the silver bullet against inequality. Africa is young. The next generation is coming fast. And they deserve a system that equips them for the world ahead. That starts with teachers respected, empowered, trained, and with students given every chance to thrive in the global knowledge economy. Here in Ethiopia, education and skill development are front and center. We know the road is long, but we are walking it with intent. We are building new schools, better infrastructure, stronger digital networks. We are investing in innovation, human capital, in the jobs of tomorrow. This summit reflects our vision, a place where leaders, ministers, and experts come together to listen, to share, and to act. We are proud to welcome 46 delegations from 26 countries. Many of you are ministers and senior officials. We thank that you for making the time to be here in Addis. The summit is about partnerships, government, industry, civil society, and global institutions working as one. The format is built for real engagement, one-on-one meetings, meaningful conversations, actionable ideas. Because real change doesn't come from panels alone. It comes from collaboration. It comes from follow-through. Let's be clear. The world is facing immense challenges. But Africa stands at the edge of possibility. We see hope, we see opportunity, we see innovation in every corner of this continent. From Lagos to Nairobi, from Dakar to Addis, young people are creating, building, solving problems. We are now witnessing the largest investment in Africa, education and ICT infrastructure in our history. Ethiopia is proud to be part of that movement. And yes, while we celebrate technology, we also recognize the need for innovation in policy. Innovation is access in equity, in protecting the most vulnerable. Because education is not just about devices, it is about dignity. It is about giving every child a fair shot. This is a working summit. We are here to deliver not just speech but results. Let's be bold. Let's be ambitious. Let's ensure this gathering leaves behind a legacy that lifts millions. Too many Africans still live without access to digital tools, without connectivity. That must change, and it must change fast. So let's act with urgency and unity. Let us invest in the future our children deserve. Colleagues, the future is watching. Our children are watching. They are already dreaming big. They look to us to lead, to protect, to empower. So let's rise to the moment. Let's be guardians of African talent, champions of African innovation. Let's work together, hand in hand, to a future we can all be proud of. Thank you for everyone who made this moment possible, for our ministers, universities, and regional partners, to our international guests. With these words, it is my great honor to declare Innovation 2025, Africa 2025 officially open. Thank you.